And welcome to this preview video for fmAccounting Link MYOB Essentials Edition. fmAccounting Link is a FileMaker solution that demonstrates how you can integrate FileMaker Pro with the MYOB Essentials accounting software. You'll obviously need an account with MYOB Essentials. You can set up a trial account free for 30 days if you're interested in trying it out. This video is going to demonstrate the main functionality, so let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is authenticate and link our FileMaker solution with our MYOB Essentials account. So clicking on the Authenticate button will bring up the my.myob login. And this is the, you'll log in with the same credentials that you would when logging into the MYOB Essentials website. So I've got a trial account set up, so I'll enter my credentials and I'll sign in. Now the first time you sign in, another screen will appear prompting you to allow access to FileMaker Pro. You'll just click allow, and then at this screen we'll just hit continue if we don't get any login errors. And now it's successfully authenticated with MYOB, and it's granted a token that we'll use to confirm our access as we go. So now that we've authenticated successfully, let's click on the Businesses tab and we'll import all the businesses from our MYOB Essentials account. And you can see there's only one, it's the Acme Consulting Company, and you'll see that's the same list that we see over here in the MYOB Essentials website. Okay, so we'll select Acme Consulting and make that our default account to use. Now at this point, we'd typically download some standard things that we'd normally maintain in MYOB Essentials and not FileMaker. So they include things like text types. So we'll click Import Text Types to import those. And we'll click get our chart of accounts. So we'll import our account types first. We'll import our classifications. And finally we'll import our actual accounts. Now these are things that don't sort of change on a day-to-day basis, and if they do you can always re-import them back into FileMaker from MYOB Essentials. We might also want to import our list of inventory items if we maintain those in MYOB Essentials as well. So let's go through some examples. So we'll jump over into the contact screen and I'll click the new contact button. And we'll go to the form view to view the details. So we'll put in a company name. This will be a supplier contact. So let's call this Hancock Consulting Ltd. Okay, it's not an individual. It is active. We'll put in a contact name. It can be the director. We'll just make up an email address. We can also put in a phone number and a mobile. And a fax and a website. So we'll just put in our website for the moment. Okay, we won't put in ABN at the moment. Okay, we'll say this is a customer. They could also be a customer and a supplier, or a supplier and just other if they're neither. So we can put in some notes. New customer, and we'll put in a street address. Okay, I think we're ready to upload this to MYOB, so let's click push to MYOB, and you can see that's uploaded it, and you can see here it's come back with the MYOB contact ID. So that's the unique identifier that MYOB are going to use when they reference that contact. And if we jump over to MYOB Essentials and look at our contacts list, you'll see that that contact has been uploaded, and all the details that we've stored in FileMaker appear here as well. Okay, let's create an invoice for this contact, and we'll add some line items, and we'll use some items that we've already downloaded into our inventory item section. So we'll get 5 of those, and we might get some hammers as well, and we'll get 10 of those. Okay, so the status is open. We can put a note that appears on the invoice as well, so thank you for your order. I think that's all we need, so let's give this a go and we'll upload this invoice to MYOB Essentials. Once again, you can see that's uploaded and it's come back with the MYOB invoice ID. So if we come and have a look at our list of invoices, you can see that the invoice is there. It's got the IV1000, which is the FileMaker reference number, and if we have a look at that, you can see that the line items in FileMaker, $500 and $260 have come across. It's allocated it to the same account and put in the appropriate tax type. So that all looks pretty good. It's got thank you for your order as well. Okay, now we might want to upload a payment that we track in FileMaker. So we'll quickly add a payment to this invoice. We'll say it was paid into the savings account, and it might have been a part payment, so we'll do $500. And we'll click upload, and that payment has been uploaded. So let's have a look at our history, and we'll see that payment. So PY1000 matches the FileMaker payment reference number. We'll jump into that, and we can see it's allocated to the correct invoice, the correct amount has all come across. So that's a quick tour of the fmAccounting link solution. We'll be posting some more videos. Please contact us if you have any questions. Thank you.